YouTube, what is up? Big Eddie, this is your attic in the attic, coming to you live. This is a update on a couple kits I bought, so here we go. If you're ready or not. Got the Golden Commando. Couldn't pass one of them bad boys up. Got one of these, but had to pick up another one. Price was pretty good. So, gonna get that one built, the Eliminator. What is that? AMT kit. Picked up another surf wagon. Surf's up, a cowabunga, dude. Ooh, comes with ramps and surfboards. Awesome. Very cool. Never got one of these trailers here. 53-foot, the old Mobius. Finally got one. Adding that to the old attic. Got me a short hauler. Coca-Cola. Have a Coke and a smile. This was pretty cool. This was on a consignment at the local hobby shop I go to. The Black Bunny F4. I just like the box art. That's awesome looking. So, the old Ertl kit. Look at the price that it was. $7.99 marked down to $3.99. And then that's what I paid for it. Inflation. Woo! Warning, Will Robinson. Warning, warning, warning. The old robot B9. And, just to add to it, I got the old glass dome. Not one, but two glass domes. So you know what that means. Got another B9 ordered. It'll be on its way. Sweet. Alright. They're out there. Or they're up here. One or the other. UFO. Awesome. Can't live without them UFOs. That glare is awesome. Terrible. There it is. Woo. Anyway, guys, that is a short and sweet little update from the attic. Build on this Sunday evening. Have to do some work tomorrow and all next week. Anyway, guys, Big Eddie live from the attic reporting. Build on and peace.